Typewriter.
Love your brother, you live a city like we live in Bomb Beach. Hotter than the book while we watch the TV. Think you got a...
Mr. Bailey, go ahead with your letter.
Dearest Jeanette, I long for
Hold on. Jeanette, 2 T's?
2 T's, yes.
B at the end? A between
The only
J?
way to spell Jeanette.
Okay, go on.
Did I have dear or dearest Jeanette?
Oh, God.
Read it back to me.
I have Jeanette, comma.
Let's start over, shall we?
Okay, just a second.
You good?
Oh, no, wait. Oh my God, this is done. Paper, ink, stuff takes forever.
There's more paper. You could have just grabbed another piece of paper. That would have worked.
Can I just throw it away? I mean, there's hardly anything on it.
I mean, you've already painted it white. Just set it out ready
Okay.
and dry at its own pace. All you're blowing like you're some sort of wolf. Are we ready?
We're ready.
My dearest Jeanette, I long to see you. Is dearest too much? Do you think?
Well, how long have you been together?
I plan on asking her on a date. That's where this is going.
So, I think Jeanette would have been fine.
Seems so informal and I want her to really know what I want right from the beginning. Straight out of the gate. But I don't want to be too heavy-handed. I don't want to come across as needy.
Right.
Women don't like
hate that.
needy men. Okay,
We
good,
hate it.
good. Wanted to
So
make
what?
sure I was on the spot with that.
You can try. Hello, Jeanette. She might not read it that way, but...
Maybe use some capitals.
Okay, all caps. All caps.
That'd be hello, Jeanette. Actually, I rather like that. Let's use that.
Try.
Hello, Jeanette.
Should I type it harder?
Yes, I suppose. I mean, the caps already signifies the yelling. It has all of the yelling in it. If you indent the paper, it just seems aggressive.
Fair enough, sir. Come on.
I long to see you with every fiber of my being. I have seen you many
Wait, is there a
times.
period at the end of that?
Semicolon. This is a related thought.
So, you wish to take my daughter? Why do you believe you are good enough?
Excellent
Not
question.
making your case very well, sir.
I have a receptionist.
A receptionist.
Yes,
We'd have 3.
that just doesn't even seem necessary.
You could
I'm
never have too
efficient.
much of anything. But why have anything at all?
I don't know whether you're profound or just really drunk.
I'd like to think both.
I'm an educated man.
How so?
I spent 3 years in community college. I almost got my degree in communications, actually. So,
What's a community college?
community college is often like a smaller, more local college that allows people a more flexible schedule. They can work and attend college, improving themselves while they survive. Look, I'm teaching you things already. See how valuable I am?
I feel like I'm getting stomach just talking to you.
That could also be
We only go to the best.
amount of brandy you've been drinking. That's a lot. Gotta be honest. So is Jeanette here? Now?
She's up in Tower 3.
Tower 3. And this is
the Five
Tower
Towers.
5 Towers. It's better than Lord of the Rings.
Mother, why won't you let me marry him? You have me locked in this tower. It's not even the most lavish of the 5 towers.
No, I put you in the Tower of Battle as protection. No one can have you. You are mine alone.
Oh, Mother, why? Why? Just because your marriage with Father didn't work out, there's no excuse to take my happiness.
Enjoy torturing you. It is only the only thing that keeps me going. If I lose you, what happens?
You're still a moderately attractive middle-aged woman.
I am full of white hair.
Have you tried the eHarmony website I set you up a profile with?
No. Nice.
I'm just saying there's plenty of other
It's
fish.
not proper.
There's plenty of other fish in the sea, and I'm not talking about the piranhas who have swimming below the tower. More about the dating pool. You could have what Charles and I have. We're in love, Mother. We're in love. We're gonna get married and ride away on a white horse. I was thinking Buttercup from our stables. She's so temperamental.
Tower maintenance. It's my first day. I think it's your hair you're supposed to let down.
It's actually a rope. We got rid of the hair after all the tangles. I'll lower it down.
Sounds troublesome for your, roots.
I had to put so much conditioner in. It's good to know that someone finally understands me. There you go.
How am I supposed to get my mop bucket up this rope?
Well,
You didn't design this very functionally.
I don't design things. I'm sort of like a princess, but I don't have a royalty. I'm just really wealthy. It's mostly what I am.
Sounds like most people I work for. We're gonna go with one mopping. I'm just gonna stick it in my pants.
Grab the rope.
All right.
You ready? There you go.
I felt so close already.
Come on in, maintenance man.
This is a real nice place you got.
Well, it's not the nicest of the towers, but it's adequate. Be careful of the rugs. They are very expensive.
I've been doing this for a long time. Thank you, princess.
Not actually. Working on the royal title. So difficult to get one. You can't just buy them. Not like so many things.
I've been working on assistant junior janitor for like 6 years. Let me know if you get there before I get there.
Is that like a game, or what does that mean?
It means I stop having to make house calls and I just sit in the janitorial office and I just, type out the princesses. Then we go visit their fancy places, but it ain't me anymore.
Oh,
No more house calls. It'd be nice,
Sounds awful.
Back.
I just get to stay here. I can't marry Charles, love of my life, but we all have our troubles.
Oh, you can't marry Charles, love of your life.
He sent me a letter. Would you like to read it?
Do I have a choice?
No.
There we go. Do I read it?
You can just take that copy home. I have
Ooh, yeah. Ooh, gold crowns. Gold crown it.
Well, they're more tiaras than anything.
And 1 or 6.
Alright, just not the ruby one. That one's my favorite. It matches most of my dresses.
Yeah.
What do you mean you're too big for the janitorial services now?
Oh, I recently came into a small amount of money, family related, and
You just got back from that castle down the road, didn't you? Had you clean Tower 3, I remember.
yeah, then I got, the phone calls.
Somewhere between there and here, you get
Yeah,
came to lodge.
absolutely. They found me, a horse came by with a note.
Do you have this note on you?
Dramatic.
A horse, just by itself? A horse with a note?
I
I'd like to see the horse.
only have the, it got ripped up, so I only have the part that says love from Mr. Robinson. So, that's my uncle.
I'll take it.
Sent me the money.
Your uncle, Mr. Robinson.
Yeah, that's him.
All right. Your uncle. That's a different last name than you. Philip Lemerson.
Your mom's side,
I don't know. This smells real fishy. When I send these janitors up to these castles, I always say, you can't take anything that they want to give you.
Hey. I ain't no freeloader, okay? Or present acceptor. You know that.
I thought I did.
They tried to give me that tote years ago, and I wouldn't take that. Quite frankly, it felt weird in my pants, but that's besides
Got in
the
your
point.
Philip.
It's not really negotiable. Negotiable? Negotiable. My money. I'm gonna go to one of them schools.
You're already starting to use bigger words I've never heard you use, and I don't like it.
Well, maybe I'm a big guy now, huh?
You acting like it, and I don't like it. I don't like it. Tell you what, you give back wherever you got that from, and I'll look past it this time. But you gotta work overtime.
Well, I'm gonna turn him up. My mop.
Philip, do not drop that. Philip, pick up your mop.
6 years with no promotion. Deal with it.
It was on the way. You just didn't have to find it.
One morning too late, okay? One morning too late.
You're gonna regret this. You're gonna wake up. You're gonna realize you didn't earn any of this. It was given to you. Freeloading, present accepting, lame.
I think you're going for it. A privilege.
A what?
I'm privileged now.
How do you spell that?
I'm gonna. I'll tell you in 3 months.
Tell you what. This may not look like a lot, okay? But I'm connected. I know people, and I tell them who you are, really. Philip. I'll tell them. And then we'll see who will talk with you.
I think you're acting a little, what's the word that I'm going for? Bitter.
Now, I know a bit.
Okay.
I know a bit. I'm Dylan. I'm gonna take this one. I never want to see you.
Done.
Dearest. Hello, Jeanette.
Charles? Is that you, Charles?
It is I, Charles. I have spoken with thy younger mother.
I'm sorry. You what with my mother? Spoken?
I spoke with.
Spoken.
I spoke with her. Yes. I have spoken with yonder mother. And she has told me that you are forbidden, completely off limits, and not allowed around here. To me, I'm not allowed around here. It's off limits. She was drunk.
Sounds like my mom. Yep. And
I shan't be giving up.
yep, good answer.
That's what needed to happen.
Yep.
Just wanted to check.
So do you want to like come up or?
Jeanette! I durst not trust
you up here, and I will lower down some tea, and then we can have tea together on separate levels.
That would be lovely. If you can lower a handkerchief, this is the most romantic thing. Something there.
I got some curtains. They're gold. Is that fine? Okay.
The gold curtain, they're gold.
Yep.
That seems in.
It's a thing. We're rich. Lowering down the curtain. Oh, I forgot the tea. Hold on, I'm just gonna bring it back up. The police are taking me.
Alright, so it's Dear Philip. No,
Start over.
Yeah, start off. How do I say I don't
Hold
like
on,
it?
hold on.
You could have got another piece of cake.
I'm gonna lose my job thanks to this liquid paper.
Yeah.
I throw it away. I never know what to do.
I mean, it's still good, right? It's still good. Let's get a fresh piece.
I do this every time. Okay.
What's a word that says I don't like the guy? Like it's a hello, but it's like I don't like you. Like it's
You can say, what's the name?
Philip.
Just say Philip. Philip.
Yeah, like there's no dear. There's no my lovely. Okay, so it's
Do you
Philip.
want all caps?
Ooh.
All little letters?
What?
There's so many different ways you could go about this.
The little letters, I feel like I can get more words on the paper.
Well, that's the trick. You really can't.
Alright,
Trust
then
me.
use the biggest letters you got.
All right.
Sir Philip, so you're a man of status. Well, I'll have you know I have a daughter locked up in the tower.
A lady in the tower.
Oh, yes.
Cool, never ran into any of those before.
She's so nice.
Yeah, did I mention all that real, legit royal background I come from?
It checks
Real
out.
legit.
So tell me, Philip, from what land do you think?
Well, I wonder if you've heard of it. It's something called the janitorial. The land janitorial. Fancy as they come, sir.
Oh, wonderful. Is it a Mrs. Philip at the janitorial?
No. No, unfortunately, too busy being just fancy and privileged. Find me.
I think you might do just fine. I like you. I like you very much. Oh, I've always wanted a nice, fancy son.
Oh boy, I like you a lot. You know what else I like? This goblet, you know. Rich person to rich person. Can I just have it fun?
It's quite an appetite over here, I assure you.
Oh, I like you.
Cheers, my friend. Cheers. Cheers.
Let me buy you a drink, neighbor, friend.
Thanks.
You look like you're on hard times. I know what that's like right now.
Oh, yeah, I just lost one of my best guys. I don't know what to do. I'm taking up the slack. I'm trying out there, right?
That's
I
all
sent
good.
them a letter.
I bought the beer, you listen. So my beloved is now betrothed to.
Hold on. You gotta bring the words a little smaller.
Yon lady of my fancy
Okay.
is yet promised to another. We good?
That sounds like hard times.
Some disgusting knave.
Disgusting. Knave.
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 Like, it's an alternate name for the Jack of Cards. It's like a squire, a lowly person. This, a dum-dum, if you will.
Tell me about this dum-dum.
Well, first of all, he didn't even go to community college. Not even for a short time. See, though I hear he's considering educating himself.
He's better than himself. Reminds me a little bit of the guy I used to know.
Fair enough, your turn.
So I had this dum-dum, right?
As we all do. A dum-dum in our life.
He came walking on back saying, I'm better than this now. I'm better than where we've been for years together, working side by side. And went off doing who knows what, to who knows who, and they don't even know that fortune he has. Not even me.
I know least of all.
Let me tell you about
You could elevate your language just a little bit. I'm struggling here.
You're engaged.
Yes. Yeah. You know how much work I had to do for it? None.
You didn't have to work. You didn't have to bring her cookies to work.
No.
Every day. You didn't have to tell her, chin up, everything will be okay.
No. No. You know what I did? I just sat there and looked good. You should try that sometime.
Okay. I'll try.
Eat it.
Thank goodness, I've been trying to write this letter for hours and I don't know how, so I'm glad someone's going to do it for me. Okay, I'm a professional, don't worry. So, I'm trying to tell my love that I'm accidentally engaged with someone. So, dearest Charles. Okay, do the whole line first. No mess ups. Okay, go ahead. Light of my life, Charles. I'm accidentally betrothed, but I don't want to be. I'm so sorry. I got a song stuck in my head. Light of my life, Charles. Accidentally betrothed, don't want to be. Philip is a knave. Light of my life, Charles. Accidentally betrothed, don't want to be. Philip. Two L's? I don't know. I've never met the man. I've heard this talk about how he's a prince and has all these fortunes, and I'm like, that sounds excellent, but Charles is my love. Oh. So Philip is a knave. Yes. Is that right? Yep. Knave spelled like knife? I don't know. I heard him use it, I thought he would go, knave, that's a funny word. That is so sweet. I don't have many books in this tower. That's Tower 2. That's the library tower. So you've never met this Philip before? I don't think so. I've only heard his name. Maybe by some crazy happenstance. When we meet and we'll have met before under different circumstances. That would be silly though. So silly.
Princess!
Charles! Oh, that's not the back of the head that I recognize.
It is I, Sir Philip of Janitorial. On the eve of our wedding, I thought maybe we should speak at least once.
Alright, fine, I'll lower the rope, but don't get fresh.
Oh! No, I do not think we should see.
Not that kind of girl.
We should not see each other's faces until we are married.
That's so strange. That's a strange thing.
It's a custom in the far, far away, very rich, I can promise, fancy land. Janitorial.
The young lecturer has stolen my beloved.
Wait a second. That looks like a familiar leech.
Excellent repartee, sir.
You know, Philip, I have to say that your voice sounds vaguely familiar to me, but I can't
males have similar tonal pitches. I learned that today. That's about right.
There's something fishy about that guy. I can't see his face, but there's something fishy about him.
He seems to be bragging about his education, which, as we have already known, he has none.
I just want to let you know that I am a suitable suitor, for I made a B- on my first essay assignment today. You are privileged.
That is an average grade.
He has accomplished a B- on an essay. All hope is lost.
Your Highness, I know we don't normally talk, but I've been...
Ask for permission before you address, madame.
It's been a long time since I've done this. Your Highness has something to tell you. Can I have permission to tell you?
Proceed.
I've been going all around town. I got a letter written about this guy. This guy I used to know named Philip. He is not to be trusted. He is not rich. He is not wealthy. And you should know. He used to work here. He used to work in here, and you may see him again. Just so you know, this is the thing I'm doing around town.
This is Philip. From where is he from?
I don't know, Detroit?
I know Philip, but he's the land faraway land of
Janitor?
That is correct.
Yeah, he was a janitor.
I beg your pardon.
He was that's how he knew. I used to work with the guy. He was a janitor. It's me. He did what I'm doing.
Forgive me, that is a very dirty one. I have very difficult time.
I have that same trouble. It's okay. It's okay, guys.
So tell me, where did Sir Philip get a goblet?
You know what? Between you and me, I think it was right here. I had him cleaning tower 3. He came back all draped out. Said he got it from a horse or something. Like, that doesn't seem right. I bet you put him in that tower and he ran off before I could do it.
I am missing 60 hours! What is this? Is this madness? This is your fault!
I'm going to begin lowering myself down for the ceremonial lowering down that we're doing in place of the walk.
Hey, I can't look at you, so I can't spot you, so just...
I have the really thick veil that you requested. Oh, I hope something stops this horrible wedding.
Dear. Hello!
Oh,
On the ground for the first time in years.
darling!
Stop, rapscallion!
Charles!
I insist that this marriage not proceed forward.
Yeah, me too. Please don't do it, Philip. Wait a second. Do I know you?
No, you don't. But oh my God, your face so beautiful!
Hey, what? Hey, no. 2 feet, leave room for Jesus or me.
I can be beautiful too, Philip.
Philip,
Am I supposed to be looking at something? Because I'm not seeing it. Oh, you're so beautiful! Oh my, I will take you far away to my land of money and riches.
Jeanette, this man longs for your wealth, for your power, for your 5 towers. I rhymed.
Enjoy the loving process of this maiden.
The community college has done you well.
God, Philip, you went to community college?
Jeanette, while you may only be wealthy and essentially a baroness in this land, but not a princess, you are a princess to me. Within my power,
Sir,
I brought this chorus of men and boys to show their affection for our love.
Yeah, Philip, and I was the secretary of school. So I'm a real spot too.
receptionist.
I must warn you, I am on my 3rd hour-and-a-half class of fencing.
That's pretty far advanced, Charles. Be careful.
Careful I shall be. That scared the shit out of me. On guard! Does anybody have a sword? All right.
It's gold and diamond.
Gold? Okay, diamond. Gold.
Philip, I have a hairbrush. I have a hairbrush, Philip. If you want to use that.
Yes, Philip. Face me like a man. Take the hairbrush.
I have 2 swords. You want me to trade it for a hairbrush?
That would, yes.
Brush your hair, maybe it'll get better.
All right.
Why?
Nope, take it.
She's like my best friend. Okay.
Swish, claim, threaten. Now you are off guard.
You're so brave.
I just don't want to cut your hand off or kill you.
Do it, Philip.
You can choose. Hand or kill.
Do I?
Hand or kill.
This hand?
Just drop it. God. Oh my God. Ah.
Oh! No, I haven't.
Do it. He made me do it. I wasn't born to kill.
Here, chorus of little boys who are in a choir, patch me up.
Charles, I'll patch you up. This fight is over. I love him and I love Philip. I don't care what my mother says.
That's the guy.
What is this madness?
Mother, I don't want to marry Philip, even if he is communist and wealthy. No! Charles!
To the guillotine, the both of you!
That escalated.
Wait a minute, you have 5 towers and a guillotine? Three guillotines? Yes. Holy shit.
No wonder you have janitorial staff.
That's a big place to clean
It is.
That's enough, Jimmy Captain!
Oh, my life is
I'll
in
behead him, sir!
Excuse me.
And you'll be rewarded handsomely!
Excuse me. I have something to say. I wrote this, typed it up on my free time. You don't have to pay me.
Thank you for that.
You can in front of you.
It's not.
No problem. Okay. All right.
Moving on.
Hi, Philip. It's me, your friend. You know, the one. And then I kind of messed up this line, so I had to like.
Why didn't you just get new paper? All right, fine, whatever.
Okay, and then I typed over it and it kind of smudged a little, so I'm just gonna speak from the heart now. Still more useless?
No, that's ruined.
This
You've only
one-
typed half of it.
Okay, well, I never know. I just throw it on the ground.
You're all trespassing on the royal ground!
I thought that we're not actually.
Yeah, you're just real rich. You're like a JP Morgan or something.
I can pay to have you kill it.
She's done it before.
Okay, I'm tired of inactivity. I'm just gonna take this little rich pretty thing.
Oh no! Wait, I wrote you a letter.
I still have a glove, mind you.
Do something with it.
Ah!
It's okay. Wait a second. Put it in my hand. Hold on, everybody. Hold on. That's it. You were the janitorial person who came to my tower and I gifted you with tiaras and you took the ruby one even though I told you not to. You had tiaras?
Were you the only person who didn't know that?
Yeah, honestly, like.
To the guillotine! To the guillotine! Oh, God!
So, I don't normally do this.
I think you were beer.
I know. I mean, I've been you know.
Hold on.
Sorry.
If I may have a moment.
Do you want to be?
Take this down. I wanted bread at my funeral.
Okay. I mean, should I title it like last words?
Yeah, that'd be nice. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Just in the middle, last words,
Okay.
and then by Charles Robertson on the line below it in a smaller font. I think. Smaller font? Is that?
Well, I
No,
already
nobody knows? All right.
Yeah, I did it all in caps.
That's fine. That's fine. It's the title. Don't do the whole piece in caps.
Okay, thank you. Okay, and you're just gonna, like...
I'm just freestyling it here. Hello, mourners. If you are hearing these words, it is because I am dead.
Wait.
What?
Oh, that's right, someone's gonna read this.
Yeah, I
Oh,
hope.
wow, they're not gonna, okay,
Yep,
it's not
yep.
gonna be passed out to anybody because if you're hearing this, they're
Honestly,
reading
at this point, I'd really just like to get to my turn to die. Okay? Just speed it up!
Go ahead, sir.
You know what?
I lost my place. Stop for that.
Stop the presses.
Sorry.
This feels wrong. I mean, I know a lot. I may come from the dirtiest part of town.
Which is ironic for a janitor.
I clean up this all day. Hold on. But I can recognize when something is wrong.
You will be paid £3 million for your services.
We're in America, why are they using... It's fancier.
Lady, I can't do that. This girl loves this guy.
And I love Philip.
And yeah, I don't know why you like the snake, but she likes the snake as well. And Philip, if you can admit that you were wrong, that I saw this coming from a mile, I've seen this 1,000 times, then maybe we can all get out of here and live happy lives.
All that has to happen is Phyllis to say that he was wrong and you were right? That's all?
That's what I want. I mean, you gotta talk to these guys.
£5 million!
Move.
Should I scratch the mourner's letter?
No, I thought I was really going there. We'll just save it for later.
Just do it.
Phil.
Wait, Phil, do you have any last words that you want me to type out so I can read them?
Oh my God! Just kill me, please.
Alright, you want that in all caps?
Alright, Philip. It was a good ride.
I'm gonna write I love you so much.
Last chance, redemption.
So forward.
Alright. Here it comes.
Really? Really?
No. Take back
Oh
seats. Philip, even though you're a terrible human being and deserve this far more than I, with 3 years of community college, am more noble than thou. Scoot your boot!
Not fair.
Charles! Stop this right now!
Jeanette, I would be unworthy of you if I let that man die in my place.
Wait! I have something to say! Stop! God, okay.
I mean, we stopped when you were at the top.
Yeah, we haven't really done. A world without Charles is a world I don't want to live in. So scoot your, what did you say? That was so charming. Boot, scoot
It's a
your boot.
colloquialism for buttocks.
That's nice. I'm going to die instead. Do I just, this is unsanitary. Mom.
We have a janitor.
Yeah.
You just,
You want me to?
I don't want to get an infection. Just a delicate sensibility. Thank you. Okay.
Philip, we got a spare guillotine over here. You want to come over here?
Oh, yeah, there are 3 kids.
They have 3 kids.
This is the nicest one, though.
I shall take this one.
Anybody want? Oh, Philip, you can be right next to me.
Suitable death like
Okay.
I don't know quite how to say this,
Oh,
but
new sheet of paper?
no, this is private conversation.
All right.
Jennifer, if my daughter were just to die with that name, then so be it.
Mom! You're supposed to stop this! My head's not in it right now. So that's a problem.
Goodbye, Jeanette.
for real this time.
You know, earlier,
Is that all you really wanted to say, sir?
Yeah, that's it.
All right. Goodbye, Jeanette.
Oh, I was in the middle of a letter.
Oh my god, I'm gonna put my neck against the top leg.
I am looking to adopt a new daughter to torment. Power 3.
Is that the nicest one?
Don't better.
There are better towers?
You forget I am trying to torment you.
That's right.
But you will be massively wealthy and royal.
Are you really royal?
Oh yes.
I keep hearing these things that like you're not really royal and you're just a really filthy rich.
I have 3 Gazians.
Yeah, that doesn't make you royal. That's still more in the vein of just being real stinking rich.
I fail
Get like
to
a
see the
certificate or
difference.
something. A diploma for royalty or anything. Because like my credentials. Boom. Certificates from Sterling.
Guillotine to you!
it's a crazy day, huh?